Imagine you're starting from scratch in 2026. No followers, no product, no funding. The world has changed, and what worked a few years ago just doesn't cut it anymore. So, what's the smartest way to build a business that actually thrives in this new era? Today, I'm breaking down the perfect business blueprint for 2026. This isn't about trends or hype. It's about building something real, scalable, and future-proof, using the exact strategies that top founders are already putting into action. Let's start with why the old ways are falling apart. Traditional businesses are weighed down by slow processes, high costs, and too much manual work. In 2026, attention is more scarce than ever, labor is expensive, and customers expect instant results. Meanwhile, AI is doing the work of entire teams. If your business relies on big teams, physical offices, or slow decision-making, you're already behind. The winners are lean, automated, and digital-first. The perfect business now is AI-assisted, scalable, low overhead, and location-independent. You build it once, and it pays you over and over. So, what does this new business actually look like? It's built on 3 core pillars. First, digital products. Think courses, ebooks, templates, prompt packs, memberships, and toolkits. The magic here is that you create them once and sell them infinitely. No shipping, no inventory, just pure digital value. Second, traffic assets. Not just paid ads, but real assets like YouTube channels, Pinterest boards, email lists, blogs, and short-form videos. These bring in attention that compounds over time, so you're not starting from zero every month. Third, AI automation. AI now handles content creation, research, customer support, marketing, and analytics. This isn't just a nice-to-have. It's the difference between surviving and thriving. AI is the engine that powers everything in the 2026 business. Smart founders use tools like ChatGPT for strategy, scripts, and product ideas. AI design tools handle branding and visuals. AI video tools let you create content without ever showing your face. Automation takes care of emails, funnels, and follow-ups. AI analytics help you make better decisions in real time. The key question isn't, how do I do this? But, how do I design a system where AI does this for me? That shift in thinking changes everything. Now, let's talk about the perfect product stack. The best businesses don't just sell one thing. They sell a stack of offers that work together. Start with a free lead magnet, like a checklist, mini guide, or free tool. This brings people in. Next, offer a low-ticket product, maybe a $7 to $29 ebook, template, or toolkit. Then your core offer, a $49 to $199 course or system that delivers real transformation. Finally, a recurring offer like a membership, subscription, or community. This stack creates predictable income, increases customer lifetime value, and keeps your business stable no matter what the market does. And with AI, you can build and deliver every layer faster than ever. Traffic is the lifeblood of your business, but in 2026, you can't rely on just one platform. Video is king. YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, and email are your top engines. The smartest founders repurpose one piece of content into a YouTube video, 5 shorts, 3 Pinterest pins, an email, and a blog post. AI handles the repurposing, so you can focus on strategy and growth. Automation is what gives you freedom. If your business can't run without you, you don't own a business, you own a job. The 2026 blueprint demands automation for onboarding, delivery, follow-ups, upsells, and customer support. With AI chatbots, automated emails, and smart workflows, your business runs 24/7, even while you sleep. That's not laziness. That's leverage. And here's the most valuable skill for 2026, system thinking. It's not coding, design, or even marketing. It's the ability to see leverage, build repeatable systems, connect tools, and automate outcomes. AI doesn't replace builders. It replaces people without systems. If you learn to design systems, you win. So, that's the perfect business blueprint for 2026. Digital products, AI-powered systems, scalable traffic, automated delivery, and freedom by design. If you're ready to build the future, like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. The future doesn't wait, and 2026 belongs to those who move early.